Hey guys, this is Manish here with web hosting service review about probably one of the most popular and well-known website hosting services available, and that's GoDaddy.com. Now, due to clear marketing and a large promotional budget, GoDaddy is probably a name that you have heard at some point in your life. But just because it's very popular and very well known doesn't mean it's the best web hosting service out there. As I have personally used GoDaddy.com hosting services, we are going to be diving into some of the benefits and features of it. For .NET Framework, GoDaddy provides support of .NET Framework version 4.7.2, which is more reliable and trusted than other platforms like Big Rock, which only provides web form support for economic web hostings. With a minimum capital, you can get the most of the worthy features from GoDaddy, and you can get web hosting along with a domain in just less than rupees 3000 a year or just rupees 250 per month. This can be a bit higher, but as a developer, this provides me more value by its features and usability. I have purchased Windows Economic Web Hosting and the domain in just rupees 3000, and here is the proof. And this invoice contains other details as well. I made a web application using .NET Framework version 4.7.2, and it is working just as I want. I can create databases, I use it to store data for dynamic website. This thing provides me full control of the website, and I can do whatever I want in my website. I can integrate identity framework for user accounts. I can add entity framework to handle data storage. There are multiple front-end libraries like data tables, Kendo UI, AgGrid, jQuery, which I can use to create more user-friendly dynamic website. If you got in a technical problem while deploying the website or found any difficulties which you can't control, then you can consult with GoDaddy support staff with just one click. I have personally used this service multiple times and got a positive feedback from support.